Oh, don't we have a sledgehammer? I returned it.
Okay.
It would be great. Wait, let me get a tool.
Javi thinks he's Chip Gaines. He's just the Latino version.
It's as good as we're gonna get. Plus, nobody actually uses sledgehammers in demo days.
Why don't you say it's demo day?
Oh, okay.
And then wait, just get you and then I'll pop in.
Okay.
It's
Why?
demo,
Oh, okay.
It's demo day. I'll be in it.
Okay.
It's demo day. Everybody loves demo day, right?
Yeah, but I think you shouldn't just start it. I think you should be like, guess what? Or some other shit.
Okay,
some other
no,
2-second line before you say demo day.
No, I'm gonna say today is demo day. Everybody loves a good demo day.
Yeah.
We got the Latino version of Chip Gaines right here.
Demo day.
Where's your demo day shirt?
I should get one. I should. What's
Chip
what's
Gaines,
demo day in Spanish? Demolition. So there you go.
Demolition. Okay, we're gonna
do demo.
It.
Yeah, we're gonna demo. And just reality. This is actually what you use for demo day. You don't like destroy the house. You know?
You kind of do. We've been
You don't. You don't. You don't.
We're gonna bang at the house.
I'll let you bang at a couple things, but you don't want to destroy the house.
Yeah.
So pry bars, that's all you need, and a little hammer. Oh, and maybe a drill.
And you need a big truck
A big truck
to haul all your junk.
and a couple workers.
And some workers. And we also decided that we are going to open all the walls.
Stupidest mistake ever, but yes, we are gonna do
We're going to open all the walls.
all the walls.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
So hole, you're gonna put the hole in there, and you're gonna rip it out. Okay? There you go. Just like that. Very careful.
Is that how you rip things out?
Yep. Let me put this on. Pencils. Good girl. Yeah, there you go. Pull it. From the back. Yeah, you can take the drywall off. No, you're good. Nothing's gonna happen. The pipe, I already cleared the pipe, so you're fine. Close the water. Trust me, if you break a pipe, you'll know. It'll splatter all over your face.
This is so therapeutic. Wait, get it slow-mo.
No, we're good. Mold free, mildew free. I mean, the wood's solid. We got copper down here. I don't know how old this, like, I'm gonna check the wiring behind that, but I mean, this is a gold mine.
All right, guys. So the first thing you want to check to see is if you have hardwood floors. Now, there was a tear in the carpet on one of the rooms, so it appears that there's hardwood floors on that side. But we're in the living room, so let's see if we have floors. I'm gonna put my mask on because it stinks.
Like dead cats.
And we were already and voila, my friends, we got some nice hardwood floors. Woo! We're doing good, honey. We're doing good. Yes.
Diamond in the rough.
You guys are so cute for helping.
Yo, we made it!
Day three. Loading up that bad boy with all the junk. All right. I've always wanted to do this on HGTV. I finally get to do it. Oh, shh. I didn't even move. That's so crazy. I think we gotta unscrew it a little bit.
Let's talk a little bit about the process so people kind of understand what we're doing. So the first thing you do in a house that you are gonna flip, you're gonna demo yourself. You're gonna try to demo yourself. And the reason why you want to demo yourself is because you want to actually see what you have under. Do you have a good roof? Do you have good copper? Do you have good electrical? And we kind of went through that.
Floors.
Good hardwood floors. We kind of went through that like 2 days ago, doing the demo in the restroom. So now we call plumbers and we call electricians, right? And we let them know what job you need. Because if you just bring an electrician, let's just say you're gonna do general contracting. You're gonna bring an electrician and you don't really know what you're looking at, they're just gonna bid you for what they want the work for. So now it's just like, okay, I need some GFIs, I need some electrical outing, I need some, the AC unit to be installed. Those pieces of wiring, you already know exactly what the job entitles you. So he's gonna come and just bid for that specific price and not have to bid for probably an entire rewiring when you might not even need it. So some basic stuff you should know. I learned all this through YouTube. So you guys
Check out YouTube.
So if you guys are not studying on YouTube, like there's no other way to do it. I mean, it's like the best library on earth. So check that out. I already know I have copper. So when I bring the plumber out, like, oh yeah, I just need new drainage. I have old steel drainage. I need some new PVC drainage, and they're gonna come and do the bid specifically for that. So this is gonna save you a ton of money because you are the well-versed investor and you know what you're doing. So you're just coming out, they're gonna come and place the bid, you get 2 or 3 electricians, you know exactly what you need, and they're gonna leave with the perfect bid versus an entire rewire. Cool? Good enough?